Hi, today we will solve 206th Leetcode problem reverse linked list in Python 3. Let's read the description. Given the head of a singly linked list, reverse the list and return the reversed list. And here there are three examples. In the first example, the head is equals to 1. And 1 is linked with 2, 2 linked with 3, etc. And at the end we have 5, that is the tail. And after the reverse operation, 5 becomes new head, and new tail becomes, and 1 becomes the new tail. And in this case we can see that every link between every neighbor nodes is reversed after this reverse operation. So 1 was linked with 2, but here 2 is linked with 1. The same is for example 2, but here we have only 2 nodes. And the example 3 shows the case when the head equals to null and the output is null too. So let's discuss, and here we have we can see the list node class. Well, let's discuss how we will solve this task. So it is Python. So let's draw how the linked list looks like. Let's draw schematically the linked list. Here like this. So here in the center can be like our head node. And here can be like the node that we called previous node. Previous node. And here can be like our next node. So in every operation we just reverse our connection links. So first we reversed this link, and then we shift to every next node, like to this node, and reverse to this, and reverse this nodes. So how can we? What can we do this? What can we do here? So we can define our variable that is called previous node, and in the beginning it equals to none, because it is a Python. And we can and we don't have to define the next node, because it is again it is a Python. And we can use loop while, because we don't know how many operations we have, but we have some condition of exit condition of this loop. So we have while, and as a condition, as the criteria, we should have like head is not none. So what should be inside the loop? Inside the loop there are like the first operation is just to get this next node. So next node equals to it is like head dot next. Then what should we do? We should reverse this connection. So new next head next equals to previous, to the previous. We reversed this link. And then we should do this, repeat this with for other nodes. So we in our algorithm we should shift this like active node to the next node. So we should so what should we do? So previous no, our current head node should become previous node. So this is our head, and our next node, I mean, it is our current head. Previous node, like this. Well, and what should we do at the end? At the end, when the head is none, it is null. So we become here, somewhere here, and this means we cannot return this none, but we should return the previous node. So after while loop is finished, we should return previous node, and that's it. So let's check. Yes, we can see that three cases are accepted. Let's submit. Yes, we can see that our solution beats 100 submissions. That's it. Thank you for watching. Let's see in the next video. Bye.